Okay, grade 4. Right now I'm telling you how to create the database in MX Excel. How? First of all, I'll tell you how to open it. First, you have to click on Start menu. Then in this taskbar, you have to find out where is MS Office is installed. I have here MS Office 2013 version. So I have to click on it, then find out where is MS Excel 2013. I'm clicking on it. Then what you have to do, you have to open the blank workbook. For my easiness, I'm basically sharing the screenshot of a previously database which we have to create it. um, I'm just placing it over here to identify and to write it properly. First of all, you have to write name in the field or a cell. Then you have to write radius. Then I have to write mass. Then distance from the sun. Then one satellite. Then I have to write color. Okay. Look at this, it's not showing me properly, so I'm clicking on it. Then I'll click on wrap text so it will be shown properly. And look at the formation, they are not in a lower alignment. So what we will do, first of all, we will select it, and we go in the alignment bar, we have a middle one, so I'm selecting on it. Then check it, they are in the bold form, so I'm clicking on it to create the bold, or I'll use the short key Control B. Okay. And I'm basically dragging it to show you properly. Then I'm selecting it, you have to fill it by using a center alignment, so I'm centering it. Okay. If you want to increase the size of a text, so you can go and click on the sizes from the font options or font group. Okay, like this. Now I'm entering the records, which is a Mars, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. Okay, look at this, they are again in a form of bold, so I'm selecting it. Then I'll press the Control B button to bold it. Okay, I'm just dragging it to show you properly. And to create the borders, so I'll select first, then I'll click on the borders, bottom borders, and which border I want, the all borders, so I'm selecting the all borders. Okay, then I'll write the data now. It is 2 comma 016, so I'm writing it. And we have mi, so I'm writing mi. Again, I am having a 15 comma 759, so I'm writing it, and I'm writing mi. Look at it, what is the mass value? We have a 14.150. Multiply, for this multiply I'm using the x, not a multiplication sign, because we don't have an multiplication sign. This is the most important part. Now you have to see in this one we have a tens power 23. How we can insert the power in this one? If I'm writing it properly in the normal way, so it is showing like this. So first of all, I'll write this one, then I'll click and select the 23, then I'll click the Control 1 button to show me the format of a cell. Then I'll select the superscript option. By using a superscript, it will basically minimize the text and write the text in the form of a power. If I'm selecting the strike through, so it will cut the data like the text like this. Super subscript, if I'm writing it, so it will just minimize the text and put it on the bottom of a text. Okay, right now I need the superscript, so I'm selecting it and then click OK. Look at this, it's already over there. Now you have to enter the data of a 141 610 495 mi, so I'm writing it. Then you have to enter the one satellite name, so I'm writing it. What's the color? So that's how you can enter the database. And look at this, they are all in the center, so I'm selecting it again, and I want all these in the center, so I'm selecting I have to go in the alignment group, then I'll click on the center, so it will show me like this. Okay, that's how you can do it. And kindly fill all the previous data and create it, and then send me on my email address. School email is address erikagrade04@gmail.com. So have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.